Fake News Weekly.
Want the information superhighway.
The degree of impact of the media is much more serious than people generally recognize. And it's an industry that's not dealing with things, it's dealing with consciousness. It's dealing with putting things into people's heads.
So what is fake news? Fake news is false or misleading information that made to look like real news. Sometimes it aims to confuse people, manipulate opinions, or just spiral for attention. In while social media today, fake news spread faster than the truth.
Check the source. Not all websites are trustworthy. If you're unsure, try searching the site on Google. Type look at the date. Sometimes old stories are researched to look like breaking news. Always ask, is this present or outdated?
Search the topic on Google. Before you believe it or share it, search the headline, if it's real or fake. If major news networks like ABS-CBN, GMA News, or CNN Philippines aren't reporting it, it might not be true. Examine the headline and photo. Clickbait headlines are made to shock or scare you. If it looks too dramatic or extreme, it probably is. And sometimes, the photos are edited or taken from unrelated events.
Check the spelling and grammar. Fake news often has lots of typos, all caps, and dramatic punctuation. That's a red flag.
Don't share without checking. If you're not sure, don't post. You could be helping fake news go viral. Remember, according to Google's 300 Osam following one of the best defenses against fake news is critical thinking. Ask yourself, who wrote this? Why it is written? It is trying to inform you or manipulate you.